The role of robots on the battlefield, the future of warfare. In this video, we dive into the revolutionary role of robots in modern and future warfare. From unmanned aerial drones to ground-based combat units and autonomous vehicles, robots are reshaping the battlefield in ways once only imagined in science fiction. We explore how drones and robotic systems provide real-time intelligence, enhancing situational awareness. The use of robots to deliver ammunition, evacuate the wounded, and even engage in combat scenarios. How artificial intelligence is powering decision-making in real time for autonomous military systems. The pros and cons of relying on robots in warfare, including ethical concerns, and the potential for a fully autonomous battlefield. Join us as we examine real-world examples, cutting-edge technologies, and the future of robotics in military strategy. Whether you're fascinated by technology or curious about the future of defense, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into technology and its impact on our world.